good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're seeing this video, or should I say, when this video is dropping in your timeline. Guys, it's Biggie Vibes, it's Biggie Vibes, it's Biggie Vibes. What's up, guys? How's our day? So, something we carry my mind come, maybe say, I say, make I come talk. Some people talk, say, chioma papa, not the gold digger. Yes, so say chioma papa, na gold digger. Say, the Adeleke family pay chioma papa 30 million naira before he allowed marry Davido. That Choma's father was paid by the Adeleke family 30 million before he was allowed to marry Davido. Like, I don't really understand. Where did they get this information from? Where did they get this information from? That thing a lie. It no happen. You know, if I able guy say, "Do you draw?" The man will carry in Peking give out. Even if the necessary requirements wey you suppose do, say they get some way come out, if you know make the video do. Where did they get this information from? Now, those deal on the end, those they carry plenty information when I know even sabi, those they talk plenty, they talk any. That is a lie. If I share my video, I bet, no, I share my video, I bet may go viral. Why they talk this kind of things? That don't make sense.